Hey, good morning, Mimi and Christine. And yeah, we're just actually kind of starting to hear the wind pick up a little bit and seeing that, but nothing too bad just quite yet. And of course, it started at about 5 a.m., so we're 2 hours into this high wind advisory, and nothing out of the ordinary really so far just yet. And today we could see sustained winds of about 25 to 35 miles per hour along the I-5 corridor from Snohomish County north towards the Canadian border. And near the water, wind gusts could be up to 55 miles per hour. And some trouble spots to look out for along Highway 2 near where the Bolt Creek fire has been burning. Crews have worked for weeks to clear unstable trees, but the wind could bring some down, potentially blocking roadways. So back out here live, you can see the wind blowing a little bit. We can hear the flags flapping around in the wind as well. One thing you do want to look out for is falling trees in your neighborhood and how they could take out some power lines potentially. So we'll be tracking power outages throughout the morning so far. None to report just yet. Live in Everett, Kayla Lafferty, King 5 News.